Let's promise we're gonna go ahead and do everything we've been wanting to do no matter what. That way, if our husbands or our haters or our heads tell us no, we can tell each other yes.
Three sisters decide to make life-altering decisions.
I am going to take a hiatus from teaching to focus on writing again.
And go for their dreams.
I am now taking acting classes.
I want to quit my job to start my own business.
Oh, I knew it. I knew Thelma and the Weave had something to do with this.
But success doesn't come without a price.
No wife of mine is gonna be stripping and shaking her behind in some soft porn movie.
Are you telling me what I can and can't do? Please.
I just never thought that you were gonna put your business over us.
I'm telling you what you won't do. I'm telling you what you're not gonna do, yeah.
What do I have to do to get the respect for the things that I want to do?
Listen, Sky, you're so beautiful and you're sweet and you're funny.
What? Like a sister? Like a homie? I cannot tell you how many times I have heard that.
You're so insecure and you're so, oh, there you are. You're so short. Okay.
Starring D.B. Woodside, Ronrico Lee, Kiki Haynes, Carl Payne, Kelly Jenneret, with Brad James and Nadine Ellison. Love the one you're with.
Oh, we all the same?
All the same.
We all the same,
all
huh?
of them.
Okay, well then your mama is too.
Don't talk about my mama.
I just did.
Don't do that.
I just did.
No, your mama.
Your mama.
Your mama.
No, your mama.
Your mama.
Your mama. I said your mama first.
And I said it last.